Setting up the booking engine. This is the booking engine here, and I can see what I have here does not look like what I want, which is not what I want here. Apparently I want a round trip, one way, and a multi-leg. What do I do to change all these booking engines criteria? I'll click on the setting icon on the booking engine, and I have the title. I have the search engine title. I have so no business so much with this. We'll come back to this. Now the first tab here, to change this samolotem. That's a very complicated language for me. Sorry, I don't understand that language. That's why I might pronounce it that bad. Okay, so I'll click on the tab 1, and this is the title of the tab 1. I can change this title of the tab 1. I can change it to round trip and set up my search criteria. And how do I set up my search criteria? First thing, I will not use RWD packages. I'll use the flight, RWD flight. And how do I do that? Clicking on RWD flight, I'll add up my search criteria. What are the search criteria for a round trip? That is departure from, arrival to, departure and return date. I can use departure and return date. Then my passengers, adults, children, and infant. And what else do I want to add? These are the basic criteria I need for a traveler. Basic criteria. Then I can add more option. Okay, adding more option, I can add airline, direct flights, class of service. I can add the plus or minus 3 days. That's a feature on the booking engine. It shows you 3 days before and 3 days after the date you have chosen. And I can just go ahead and save this. Okay, the next one, I can see my round trip changed. The next one is tab 2, that's in one way. I will change this to one way, and don't forget we are working with RWD flight. And what are my criteria for one way? That's departure from and arrival to, and this is departure date, because there is just a one-way trip, there won't be a return date. And the next thing is my passenger types, and I can add more options from here. I add more options and add airline, plus or minus 3 days, flight class, and direct flight. And also I'll save. Okay, the last one is the tab 3. That's multi-leg. I can change this. I'm going to change this to multi-leg. Multi-legs. That's more than that is